Replays, The Men's Cut, Video Spotlight.
What's up, Storm fans? I'm Shafran, the voice of the Tri-City Storm. My favorite superhero is Spider-Man because I really enjoyed the movies and I actually got to meet Tobey Maguire one time. He was a good guy. As a superhero, I would definitely protect New York City. It's my hometown city, and in all the movies, most of the heroes are protecting New York, and that's kind of where I'm from. So I gotta hold it down in my own city.
It's the home of 9/11, a place of the lost towers. We still banging, we never lost power. Tell them.
I would consider being a superhero for Halloween. I believe I may have been X-Men, one of the X-Men guys one year. Mostly though, I end up being sports players. So, you know, I'm usually Mike Piazza or somebody from the New York Mets for Halloween. If I had to choose between flying, healing ability, or super strength, I'd probably choose flying. Obviously, healing ability would be fantastic, but I'm really intrigued by being able to fly. I think that'd be a lot of fun. And I'd have a good time with it. My super name would be Super Shaft. My superhero quote would be, "You got shafted." My favorite female superhero is Wonder Woman because all the chicks like her. So, you know, I'm in with Wonder Woman, all the chicks are in with me.